What it would feel like to wake up one day and not worry about money. Financial freedom. It's more than just having money. It's the freedom to be who you really are and do what you really want in life. It's about living a life devoid of money stresses, free from the daily grind. But how do you get there? Well, it's not a destination, but a journey. A journey that requires planning, discipline, and a fair share of financial wisdom. This video can change your financial life. In this journey, there are no shortcuts, no get-rich-quick schemes, just a series of steps. Steps that are not just about making money, but more importantly, about how to manage and grow it. We will unravel these steps and provide you with actionable and practical tips for navigating your way to financial freedom. So buckle up. Stay tuned to discover the roadmap to your financial freedom. It all starts with setting clear, specific financial goals. This is the cornerstone of your financial journey. Without a clear destination, how can you chart your course? So take a moment, sit down and define what financial freedom means to you. Is it owning your own home, retiring early, or perhaps it's traveling the world? Whatever it is, it's important to be specific. Instead of saying you want to save more money, set a concrete goal like save $20,000 by the end of next year. This gives you a tangible target to aim for, a finish line to cross. With a clear goal in mind, you can then backtrack and devise a plan of action. Break down your big goal into smaller, manageable milestones. This makes it less overwhelming and more achievable. And every time you hit a milestone, you'll feel a sense of progress and achievement, keeping you motivated on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Once your goals are set, it's time to create a budget. Now, budgeting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about understanding where your money is going and making decisions that align with your financial goals. First, tally up all your income. This is the money you know you'll have coming in each month. Next, list out all your expenses. Start with the non-negotiables like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and so on. Then factor in discretionary spending like entertainment or dining out. Now, compare your income with your expenses. If you're spending more than you're earning, you'll need to make some adjustments. This could mean cutting back on non-essentials or finding ways to increase your income. Remember, your budget is a living document. It will change as your life and goals change. And that's okay. The goal is to stay in control of your financial life. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Now let's talk about the importance of an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and financial hiccups are inevitable. That's where an emergency fund comes into play. This is a safety net of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. Think of it as your financial bunker for life's storms. So how much should be in it? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. It might sound like a daunting task, but don't worry, you can start small and build it up gradually. Starting your fund can be as simple as setting aside a certain amount from each paycheck. Even a small amount can make a big difference over time. Remember, the goal here isn't to become rich overnight, but to build financial resilience. An emergency fund is not an option, but a necessity. It's your first line of defense against financial uncertainty. I hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that will help you achieve financial independence. Debt can be a significant roadblock to financial freedom. It's a burden that weighs heavily on your wallet and your well-being. So how do we lighten this load? Start by reducing your debt. Prioritize your debts, focusing on those with high interest rates. It's like cutting off the head of a snake, getting rid of the most poisonous part first. Moving on to the next step, aim to eliminate your debt. Sounds challenging, doesn't it? But it's not impossible. It's all about discipline and making smart choices. Instead of splurging on that tempting sale, put that money toward your debt. Every little bit helps. Why is this so crucial? Because living debt-free means you're no longer working to pay someone else. You're working for your own financial freedom. This freedom gives you the power to make choices, to invest, to save, and to spend on things that truly bring you joy and satisfaction. Remember, the borrower is slave to the lender. Now let's discuss the magic of automating your savings. Imagine a world where you're consistently saving without even lifting a finger. That's the beauty of automation. It's simple, really. You set up a regular automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. This could be every time you receive your paycheck or on a monthly basis. Why is this so powerful? Well, first off, it takes the decision-making and effort out of saving. It's happening in the background like a well-oiled machine. Secondly, it ensures consistency. Even if it's a small amount, those consistent savings add up over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. Automating your savings also helps you stay on track towards your financial goals. You're essentially paying your future self, and that's a payment you don't want to skip. Remember, every little bit counts, and it's never too late to start. Automate your savings and watch your wealth grow. Investing wisely is a key step towards financial freedom. Picture it as planting a seed that with time and care grows into a mighty tree. Investing is that seed, and the mighty tree is your wealth. But where to begin? Start by understanding your risk tolerance. Are you a bold entrepreneur ready to plunge into the deep end, or do you prefer the steady, less turbulent waters? Both paths can lead to financial growth, but knowing your own comfort level is crucial. Next, diversify your investments. As the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even consider emerging markets like cryptocurrencies. Finally, keep a long-term perspective. The stock market may fluctuate, but historically, it has always trended upwards, so patience is key. Remember, investing is not about getting rich quick, but about getting rich sure. Living below your means is not about deprivation, but about freedom. It's about making conscious choices, about knowing the difference between wants and needs. Living below your means doesn't mean giving up on the good things in life, but rather it's about making smart decisions that allow for financial stability and growth. This could mean opting for a smaller house or an older car, choosing not to eat out as often, or simply saving before spending. It's about assessing what you truly value and aligning your spending with those values. By doing this, you can free up resources to put towards your financial goals. Remember, wealth is not about the size of your paycheck. It's about how much you keep. And the secret to accumulating wealth is spending less than you earn. By living below your means, you're not only saving money, but you're also building a safety net for the future. Remember, it's not your salary that makes you rich, but your spending habits. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. You see, understanding the language of money, from investment terms to tax laws, is a game changer. It equips you with the tools needed to make informed decisions, helping you navigate the complex world of finance with ease. So how do you educate yourself about finances? Start with the basics. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend webinars, or enroll in courses. The internet is a vast resource filled with free and accessible information. Remember, the objective is not to become a financial guru overnight, but to understand enough to manage your finances effectively. Furthermore, keep yourself updated with the latest financial news and trends. The world of finance is ever evolving, and staying informed helps you adjust your strategies as needed. In the end, the time and effort you invest in your financial education will yield dividends in the form of better financial decisions and ultimately financial freedom. Invest in your financial education. It pays the best interest. Relying on a single income stream is a risky strategy. Picture this: you're sailing on a ship, but there's only one sail catching the wind. If a storm hits, you're at the mercy of the elements. But imagine if you had multiple sails. You'd have more control, wouldn't you? That's exactly how multiple income streams work. They offer you control, stability, and greater financial security. Instead of relying on one job or business, consider diversifying. You could invest in stocks, start a side hustle, or even write a blog. Each of these sources can become a stream of income that fills your financial reservoir. The beauty of having multiple income streams is that they can work for you, even while you sleep. It's like having a team of diligent workers who never rest. This is the power of passive income. Also, remember that every stream you create is a step towards financial independence. It's a journey, but every journey starts with a single step. The more income streams you have, the closer you are to financial freedom. Financial planning is not a one-time event. It's more like a journey with twists and turns along the way. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan is as essential as setting it up in the first place. Why is that? Because life is unpredictable. Your income may change, your expenses may fluctuate, or unexpected events may throw your initial plan off course. That's why it's important to take a moment every now and then to reassess. How can you do it? Start with a simple step. Revisit your goals. Are they still relevant? Have your priorities shifted? Next, examine your budget. Are you sticking to it, or do you find yourself straying? Analyze your spending habits and look for areas where you can cut back. This regular review and adjustment keep you on track towards financial freedom. It's like a compass, always pointing you in the right direction, even when the winds of life try to blow you off course. Stay flexible and be ready to adjust your plan as needed. This is the key to financial resilience and ultimately financial freedom. Patience and discipline are the keys to financial freedom. Picture this, you're climbing a mountain and financial freedom is the summit. Each step you take, each exertion is a testament to your discipline. The journey might be long and the path winding, but with each disciplined step, you're getting closer to your goal. Now imagine patience as your compass. It keeps you on track, helps you weather the storms and navigate the rough patches. Without it, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture and get lost in the wilderness of instant gratification. Staying disciplined means sticking to your budget, continuing to save and invest even when it's tough. Patience is understanding that wealth is built over time, not overnight. It's about remaining steady when the market fluctuates and not being swayed by the latest get-rich-quick scheme. In the end, achieving financial freedom is about the long game. It's about consistency, persistence, and unwavering focus. Remember, the road to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Achieving financial freedom is not a dream, but a reality that you can manifest. Through this journey, we've laid the stepping stones that can guide you to a future of financial independence. Start your journey towards financial freedom today. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Please like and subscribe for more content to support your wealth journey. I will see you in the next video.